G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, and the time is 29 to 10 in the morning. Now I just saw this one feeding. It went up in the tree again, but I wanted to catch a good shot of this one because it's a beautiful little bird. I'd like to see its partner here too. So there it is. Now that's zoomed in about halfway. Magpie. Oh, buggy you, magpie. Let's see if they'll go back down. No. Oh well, that was a very quick video. And the magpie's going to have his food in it. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Oh well. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. I'm just going to sit there till the magpie goes away, I think. If you like this video, please subscribe. So this one here, we're trying to get the difference. Like, you can see the difference is really $1 red this one has compared to the other one has. So let's have a look at the other one again. You can see the other one's slightly brighter. Not just the red, I think in a lot bit of other colours as well. Beautiful, I tell you. You can see that one that pops out like a cherry type thing. That's the only way to describe it because they're really bright. The bright red. This one's even the back here is a bit duller. Like the feathers and stuff like that. You can tell by the face. Don't know which one's male, which one's female though. Oh well. Oh well, again, I'm going to head off. Yeah, thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now. Welcome back. Now, they're gone away, but we've got these two beautiful red ones here. Now I'm a bit further away because I haven't had the... Don't want to walk up too close to scare them away because you've got a magpie also down on the ground as well. Now these ones here are harder to tell apart, I think. The magpie right underneath them. Yep, I knew that. Oh well, can't win sometimes. There's one in the tree here. And just flew off. No, well, they're both gone. Oh no, no. Trying to get a good shot of them. Hope they don't fly off. Beautiful these birds are. Alright, I've got a little bit of a shot of them. Oh, there's one of those brown pigeons. Here's the other one. So we can get them both together. Nice zoom in. The magpie's a very messy eater anyway. Maybe if I moved the bird bath out of the way, but no. I like what the bird bath is. Had a crow having a drink this morning while I was taking the washing off the line. Well, the colour of these two birds are beautiful. Oh, a little more feed and wander around. Feed and wander around. Now that was a good shot. Something scared them all. Oh well. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.